Okay, so you're having problems with installing Virtualbox, or you want to know how to install Virtualbox and Parrot OS. I got you, my friend. I'm going to show you how to do it. It is similar to VMware, but I'm going to show you. It is a bit different because obviously it's a different program, but I'm going to show you how to do it. There's a couple of things you need. The first thing you need to do is go to VM Virtualbox. In the description below, there will be a link to install Virtualbox. Just download the Windows host. It's a little installer, and they will install the Virtualbox for you. Then what you need to do is go to the other link, which is Parrot OS, parrotsec.org, sorry, that's the exact link. Now, there's three basically distributions you can take. This is the pen testing distribution along with Hack the Box. These are the two pen testing distributions. And Home Edition, if I'm not wrong, it doesn't have any pen testing tools. I've not checked them all out, but I'm pretty sure they don't. They're just basically for development, for example, creating programs. Or basically for home use, daily use, right? It matters what your use is or what your basic purpose for this system is. I can't tell you because it's up to you. I usually like to, even if I use it daily, I like to have hacking tools because then it allows me to sort of interact with stuff and allows me to inspect stuff or check stuff, right? So it's just me, the life of I guess a cybersecurity specialist. So we're just going to download it for these things. I'm going to download Hack the Box, so it's up to you. It is about 4.5 gigs. It should not take you long. It should take about 5-10 minutes to install. It matters how fast your internet is. My internet is very, very slow. So it took me about 10 minutes to download, sorry. Right, so once you download these things, install your Virtualbox and watch the rest of the video because I'm going to take you through how to install it. Okay, so now what we need to do is create our virtual machine. How do we do this? We need to open our VBox, right? So we're going to open our Virtualbox. And as you can see, it's a bit different. I don't know if you've used ever virtual VMware, but it is slightly different, right? So click new, give it a name. Parrotsec is good, right? Folder, give it a folder. I recommend something maybe on an external drive so you can take it anywhere. It's really up to you. Just gonna put here Parrotsec2. Okay, give it there. Select the folder. ISO image. The ISO image that I just basically told you to download, select it. And if it asks you for type and version, just select Linux and Debian64. Next, I recommend giving about RAM, maybe 6 gigs about, right? 6 gigs. And about, I would say 6 CPU processors. I don't know how much you have got, but I would say give it about half. The reason is because the installation is quite long, so it doesn't take as long, right? So just give it that extra resources. Next, again, how much you really want to, I would say about 50 gigs is okay. I really don't use Parrot as much, so I'm just going to give it something just to work with. Next, and as you can see, done. Click finish, and you're going to get a new virtual machine, right? Click start. And once you start it, what we're going to have to do is basically install it, because once you sort of run it, it's not installed fully. We're going to have to select a couple things, and I'm going to also show you how to change your resolution because it's a bit different than Kali. Okay, so once, as you can see, it's already sort of half installed, but the one more important thing is I hate the small resolutions, right? It looks like I'm back in 2005 when the screens were big and small. Right, so the first thing you're going to do is change the resolution, because I hate this. So we're going to do System, Preferences, and we're going to go Hardware, I'm going to go Displays. Should be actually, this is okay. I know you guys can't see the full screen, but this is okay. It's just for this, right? So we're going to, now as you can see on the top, it says Parrot, Install Parrot. What we're going to do is click this. And it should give you basically another installer. Right, so now it's really up to you what you want, right? So we're going to do American English. We're going to select our time zone. I'm going to select New York. English, it doesn't really matter. It's up to you. You can change it to French if you like it. Next, I would say erase disk, just so you have a fresh install. Next, your full name, we're going to put Parrotsec. What name do you want to use? Login. Let's do administrator. Right, name of the computer, just whatever. We can do Parrot Virtualbox. Password, let's put password. There we go. Okay. You can select login automatically without asking for the password. It's up to you if you want to select that or not. Next, install now, and it'll take you some time, but it should take not long. It should take about a couple, maybe I would say maybe 15 minutes. So I'm just going to do right now. I'm going to speed up the whole installation, and I'm going to go back to you guys. Okay, so as you can see, it has actually completed. It didn't take that long. It took about, I think, like 10-15 minutes, so it's not that bad. So let's just click restart. It's going to restart, and it should be us ready to go. There we go. As you can see, Parrot installed. Just press enter, and it should absolutely ask you for an login in a second. It is actually very quick. I'm actually surprised if it was going to take much longer to install, because I'm pretty sure Ubuntu takes its time. It takes a bit of time. Let me know, guys, what distribution you guys use in the description below. My favorite is Kali. Maybe it's just because I like the design, and also it's one of my first distributions of Linux I have ever used. So as you can see, Parrot sick, and if you just use password to log in, there we go. Should be us logged in. There we go. And just the same way, we can change our display once again, because it annoys me the hell out of me. So just set it to, let's set it to 1400 so you guys just can see the whole screen. There we go. Copy this configuration. There we go. And this is how you install. This is you. Easy as this. Very easy, simple. Not a problem. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you can leave a like, subscribe, comment, check out my hacking course. And also, actually, if you want to learn hacking the best way, the fastest way, check out my hacking course. Right now, as of today, you should be watching this. There should be still discounts from Udemy, but however, I'm not sure about that. So, hope you enjoyed, and see you guys later. Thank you for watching.